guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we're sneaker review and unboxing of the MIZUNO WAVE RIDER. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so that you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. As well, it takes time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. So today we've got a look at the MIZUNO WAVE RIDER. We got the NIKKAPOKKA in the vintage indigo color. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 9. So let's get unboxing. And here they are. We have done some MIZUNOs in the past before, so do check that reviews out. For those that don't know, they are a running company straight out of Tokyo. No, well, it's Japan. I don't think it was Tokyo. But do check them out. They're very good. It's good heritage found there. And we got this Wave Rider, one of their running sneakers in this beautiful indigo color. And we'll start, I'm looking at specs right now. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole unit right here, it's an all rubber outsole unit. You can see all the speckled designs also, and the traction patterning. The midsole unit, you've got a foam midsole right here for you. And you've got this unique design, it's like a wave, hence the name of the Wave Rider. And the upper, so you've got a range of materials. You've got some suedes and some of the denim right there. So essentially it's like a canvas because denim is a textile material. And here at the toe box, you've got this suede paneling in grey, and you've got the MIZUNO Runbird logo on the toes there. You look at the lateral side, so what you can see in the lateral side is a big Runbird, famous MIZUNO logo in the upper. So you got bits of this grey suede and then the blue denim. And on the lateral side, it's pretty much the same with the blue denim and the grey suede. The tongue, you got this running lace system, very nicely padded with the suede paneling also. And then you got safety first, like a helmet right there. This is part of that NIKKAPOKKA line from MIZUNO. At the heel, you've got the Runbird logo in a suede panel and it's stitched on, and then you can see bits of that blue denim as well. In the insole, again, you can see that safety first helmet, the MIZUNO logo. It's very lightweight, very dope. It's very unique in design as well. And I do like this, the lacing that it's got. You know, you've got the blue with the white specks of dots there. Very lightweight. Again, MIZUNO is like one of those unsung heroes, but they do quality sneakers. So I'm really excited to try these Wave Riders for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size MIZUNO fit. To be fair, I think I should be an 8. The 8 fits well. It's not a lot of slippage. This is really comfortable as well, very lightweight. As soon as I took my first step, I can just tell that it was really lightweight. Damn, this is really, honestly, these are really comfortable as well, guys. So if you're looking for a under the radar sneaker brand, MIZUNO is the one you should head to. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.